What's up, everybody? Larry Porter here, and I'm back once again. And today, I want to talk about a host travel agency for beginners. So, you're new to the travel industry and you're looking to join a host agency. Good choice. Kudos for you because you're making the right decision. Okay. Now, I'm going to partner you all with a presentation, okay, that's going to reveal to you the host travel agency that I recommend. So make sure you stay to the end of this video, okay? So, me and my girlfriend, we partner with this host travel agency, and it has been a tremendous blessing to us. There's a lot of things that we didn't know about the travel industry that we learned just from partnering with this host travel agency, okay? And like I said, you're new to the travel industry. That's okay, because a lot of the things that you're going to learn within this travel agency is going to put you in the right direction to become a certified travel agent. Now, one of the key benefits of joining a host travel agency is that you get to become certified immediately after you join and partner with them, okay? A lot of the tools, resources, and education, training, courses, everything you need is all up under one umbrella. So meaning you don't have to waste time going all over the internet trying to figure out how to become a travel agent. Everything is in your back office, okay? So I want to recommend a company that we are a partner with. So make sure you stay to the end of this video and watch the presentation, and we'll reveal that to you on the other side. So with this host travel agency that we're partnering with, you're not only going to become a certified travel agent, but there's ongoing training that you can take, okay, that will educate you more on the travel industry. Because I understand you're new. You don't know anything about travel. I was the same way. I didn't know anything about the travel industry, how to get paid, none of this stuff. All I knew was I was passionate about travel. Same way with you. You may be passionate about travel, and you're trying to find ways to monetize that. Well, like I said, kudos to you because you're thinking about joining a host travel agency. Now, the good thing about this host travel agency that we recommend is that not only can you become a certified travel agent and book for your family, friends, clients, or whatever the case may be and make money, but you can also build a travel team, meaning you can refer other people that's interested in becoming a travel agent, and you can leverage that. You can leverage income off of their efforts, okay? So you can build a travel team and have a residual income. So whether you book one trip a month, you can still leverage commission, override commissions to be exact, off of their efforts. So if this is something you're looking to get into, I really do recommend this opportunity. So, you know, if you're really serious about trying to find the best host travel agency for a beginner, I want to recommend this one right here. So in order to see what we're talking about, to see this host travel agency, click the link below, watch this presentation, and you'll be amazed, you'll be astounded, what do you want to call it, and we'll be glad to work with you. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below this video, and we will answer your questions accordingly. Okay, so watch that free presentation. Let me know your feedback. Let me know what you think about it, what you like best about what you saw, all that good stuff. So watch that free presentation, and once you click the link, you'll go directly to our page where you can see more information. Okay, all right, Larry Porter signing off, and be blessed. See you on the other side. All right, bye bye.